Hello and welcome back to another video. Leicester under-18s are playing in the midweek cup in the semi-finals. Hopefully we can win and to get to the final. Come on you Blues. Dobby's goal prediction?
Ooh, 2-1 Leicester.
Players now warming up. Just a short break in the video to discuss Saturday's game against Banbury. This Saturday is National Non-League Day, where no Premier League or Championship games are on. Under-16s go in for free and get a programme. They are only £2.50 and you will get a chance to win a golden ticket, and that golden ticket will win you a prize. So under-16s and everyone else, see you there. Back to the video. Here comes the teams. Leicester in the yellow and Bantham in the navy blue. First half underway. Go on, Stan. Yes, come on! 1-0 Leicester. Ball. Oh, unlucky from Leicester. Unlucky from Stan. Oh. Unlucky from Leicester. Oh, unlucky from Leicester. Go on. Ball. Corner for Leicester. Corner for Leicester looked in. Unlucky from Leicester. Lovely Leicester. That's a ball.
Come on, lovely boy.
Yes, come on. 2-0 Leicester.
Look at that.
Oh, unlucky.
Time, Wally.
Oh, unlucky. Yes, come on, Stan. 3-0 Leicester. And that is half time. The second half is underway. That's a ball. Oh, unlucky for Leicester. Come on, Leicester. 4-0. Go on. Oh, unlucky. Can we get it back? Out for throwing. Corner for Leicester. Whipped in. Referee. And that is full time. 4-0 Leicester win. Come on.
Bye Leicester.
Come on, lads. Come on, Stan.
It's like when you're 16, they'll not see themselves.
Come on, Nathan.
Come on. Next day, 4-0 win for Leiston under 18s. It was a really good game. The wind was bad, so it was very hard to play. It was a very good first half. The wind was not as bad, but it was getting worse and worse. Second half, it was very slow. Got a goal, won 4-0. Hopefully they can win in the final. See you Saturday against Banbury.
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number.